Hi, today we're going to take down Boston Review at M.A.D. M.A.D. Bots Cybud Whiteout. That's right, they took the words cyborg and bud and put it together to create Cybud. What was the Whiteout their quakes? Realistic sounds and movement, berries and crude, 12 to quit. The website will be linked down below as always. Which blood will you quit? Quit the glow in the dark radioactive blood, so the blue ones are from the radioactive team, they glow in the dark. 12 bloods to quit. So control room 1 has stealth. Control room 2 is the radioactive, so the glow in the dark ones. Control room 3 is the prototypes, and control room 4 are the gold and black metallic ones. Press the button and then wait for them to activate. Now there's 3 different ones to quit. In each team there's always going to be the same 3. Spider, Scorpion, and Beetle. Of course the Scorpion they call it Sting instead of Scorpion, which is odd because the other two they call it Beetle and Spider, and Beetle, But Scorpion they call it Sting. Now, I'm actually kind of hoping that I either get from Control Room 3 prototypes or maybe Control Room 4 the metallics, maybe even Control Room 2 the way I have to glow in dark ones. But I really hope and want that I quit the Beetle. I really need and I really want the Beetle. Oh yeah. So here are the berries that they take. 3 LR44 berries, which is a 1.5 volts. So yeah, let's open this up and okay, look and see who we got here. Now of course these are all random, they're blind boxes, so you don't know what bud you're going to quit, either Scorpion, Spider, or Beetle, and you don't know what team they're going to be from. So it's a bit of old mystery. You get your little instruction sheet here, as you can see. Spider, Scorpion, and Beetle. Just do not remove the sticker, do not push button. Move tab, cut the cord, pull the cord, remove the sticker, then push the button. How to put the berries in, all 3 of them. Here's what the box looks like. It says M.A.D bots. Kind of looks like a little Autobot symbol there. There's the sticker, the berry tab, and the tie down little cord there. So we could do that. Give that a little pull. Come on now. Getting the stickers off is always the hardest part on these. How long do you have to wait? I heard something around 11 seconds, so. Let's go. And we have actually got Control Room 4, which is the metallics, the gold and black metallic, Sting, the Scorpion. So unfortunately in all these unboxings, I have not got one Beetle. 4 boxes, not one Beetle. I have gotten 2 metallics, 1 Spider, 1 Scorpion now. I have gotten 1 radioactive, 1 stealth Scorpion, and 1 radioactive Spider. So it was Spider, metallic, stealth Scorpion, glow in the dark, radioactive Spider, and now a metallic gold Scorpion. Nowhere have I gotten anything else for the one that I really wanted. So, 2 from the... Let's see if we could get this to focus here. Come on. So yeah, 2 from the metallics, 1 from the stealth, 1 from the way active, no prototypes, which is a darn shame. And I didn't get any beetles, which is also a shame. So I got spider, scorpion, spider, scorpion, which is kind of funny. No beetle from any one of these, and no prototypes from any one of these. So I guess the beetle and the prototype is, well, I'm guessing, because since I bought 4 boxes, it's going to be probably super duper rare to collect. So yeah, that's just how I'm taking it as, because 4 unboxings of these, no beetle, and 2 metallics. So it looks like metallics are going to be the easiest ones to get. Scorpion and Spider is going to be lots of duplicates. As far as a prototype and a beetle, now you might as well look for a leprechaun or a unicorn or a freaking Pegasus or an alicorn, which you're going to have a much better luck with that than a prototype beetle with this. But yeah, you could put them back in the little crates, just line up the wheels with the little tread there, and the notches on the side, like this, and close it, although it doesn't really lock in place. And you know, you could reactivate it when you push down the button. That button pushes down this. Now this one, same thing, the scorpion's tail keeps popping off. So I guess you could put gold tail on black scorpion and black tail on gold scorpion if you wanted to. But yeah. But yeah, that has been the unboxing review of M.A.D bots. Sidebud, Boy out. Remember to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.